Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You want ads gone fast, so cut the network first. Enable airplane mode or disable Wi-Fi and mobile data. Ads require internet to load. Once offline, open settings, select apps, pick the game, and force stop it to prevent pending ad fetches. Next, restrict background data for that app and toggle network permissions off. This prevents new ad content when you reopen the game. Doing these first removes most ads immediately and gives you a safe environment to apply longer-term fixes. Once done disconnecting, focus on blocking ad servers and tightening permissions. On Android, set private DNS to a trusted ad-blocking DNS. On iOS, use a system content blocker or network filtering via a DNS profile so ad domains never resolve. Make sure to revoke permissions that aren't needed. Ads often exploit locations/storage to target you. If available, purchase the ad removal option in the game. It's the cleanest way. Finally, if you prefer local control, install a reputable ad blocker that filters. You're almost done. Test changes methodically. Reconnect Wi-Fi for a moment and launch the game. If ads are gone, keep your DNS or blocker active. If you still see ads, clear the app cache and data, uninstall recent updates, or reinstall the app to remove cached ad modules. Make sure no other VPN or proxy is bypassing your DNS filter. Disable them to confirm. One key tip: if third-party ad SDKs persist, buying the ad-free upgrade or contacting the developer usually resolves stubborn cases quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.